Hi everyone, welcome back to the Cupcake Jemma channel. Now I am not someone that you usually see. I'm Nikki, in case you didn't know. I thought I would take you behind the scenes a little bit. Like, we always film behind the scenes of like some of our favourite cakes or cupcakes or cookie flavours, but today is a little different. Also, this was filmed like in the summer. We're now end of October, so I do apologise for how late this is coming to you, but we are going to share one of our recent photo shoots and how we do them. It's myself and Sam. Sam is probably a mysterious figure that you've all heard about but not really seen. Sam is, of course, the other half of Crumbs and Doilies with Gemma. And yeah, I'm just going to show you what a classic Crumbs photo shoot is like. So strap in, grab yourself a drink, because we are going into probably the smallest room at Crumbs and Doilies HQ, formerly known as the staff room, now known as the packing room / photography studio, I guess. So yeah, let's go. We are starting the shoot with cookies. We love a New York cookie here. We are always giving you new flavours. And to be quite honest, these might be some of my favourite ones that we've ever done. Although saying that, actually, when you're watching this, I think our Christmas collection's just come out. And I think our chocolate orange New York cookie is one of the best that we've ever made. Myself and Gemma will be filming a video for them next week. When taking photos of food products, it's great to show what's inside, and a lot of our cookies have fillings and you wouldn't know just from looking at them. So we emphasise what's going on inside so you guys know what you're buying. What a delight. So the cake that you're looking at is our Design Your Own. It's essentially the cover photo for our cake builder, which if you haven't used before, it's a really great tool on the Crumbs and Doilies website where you can design the cake of your dreams, literally the cake of your dreams, and our wonderful bakers will make it. They make it happen. We literally do make dreams come true. You're welcome. You can choose anything from your sponge, the fillings, the buttercreams. Oh my goodness, like sprinkles on the outside, half a drip, full drip. There is no wrong answer on the cake builder. You can't actually see her on screen, but the mini cupcake herself, baby Eden, was in tow and she's not actually a baby anymore. And yes, I was feeding her meringue kisses on the sly. I mean, generally. We use real cakes on this shoot purely because we want to show you guys what is inside, and what better way to do that than use the actual cake. A big part of the photo shoots is making sure all the cakes look as perfect as they do when they head out of the bakery each day to the customers. Obviously we don't cut the cakes for you guys, but for the shoots we do like to clean up the slices just so it looks as neat as possible. Obviously when you cut a cake, the buttercream will drag. There will be some crumbs, but that is why I have my trusty tweezers and we just like to pick off any big lumps of cake crumb that might have dragged, or like a stray bit of buttercream that just looks a bit sad. Because we want the cakes to look cute, because they are cute. So we just neaten them all up before we take the pictures, which is what I'm doing in this clip. You're probably wondering what we do with all the cake. There are a lot of staff members at Crumbs and Doilies and everyone is pre-warned. We're gonna have a cake shoot next week, so make sure you bring in some Tupperware. There will be boxes. You're taking cake home. We're all eating cake next week and everyone loves it. Like, it's literally the best part of the week. final shot of the day was a nice top-down bird's eye view of all the cake slices on cute plates, and then we're just getting to work. Everyone's digging in, everyone's taking cake home. Welcome to day 2. We are back, but when we do a big shoot, which is rare, we're not doing photo shoots all the time, but when we do, we will split it into 2 days. So yesterday was cakes and cookies, today is cupcakes and brownies. Say brownies, we're just doing 1. So I came in early to get all the cupcakes iced, ready for the shoot. So as well as Sam taking photos of products for the website, I'm also getting behind the scenes pictures for Instagram, TikTok, all that jazz. Quick little background change, and then we're going to pop the cupcakes back on and add editable images. Did you know that you can order cupcakes on the Crumbs and Doilies website with your face on, or your friends? Fun fact, 1 year for my birthday, Dane actually gave me a box of cupcakes with his face on, just all him, and one that said like happy birthday Nikki, which I appreciated a lot. Now, if we're only going to have 1 brownie on the shoot, it's obviously going to be the cornflake brownie, the OG. We're known for it. That's what we're known for, amongst other things. But if you think Crumbs and Doilies brownie, you're probably going to think caramel cornflake brownie. She's a cutie. And if you haven't had it, you have to try it. Also, you can get it delivered. We ship our brownies UK-wide. You can order them on our website. You can literally have them shipped out like the next day. Lastly, the remaining cake slices are boxed up, and then the editing process begins, which sounds like a mammoth task, but actually it's not. And then we get the pictures up on the website for you guys, and then you can see all the new treats that you can buy from Crumbs and Doilies, and I really hope that you like them. As I said earlier, there are new Christmas cakes and cupcakes and cookies coming very, very soon. If anything, actually, they might be on the website right now, and if they are, I'm going to put a link in on the page somewhere. You'll be able to have a look and hopefully find a little treat to send to someone that you love, or for yourself. You should treat yourself. Gemma will be back with a cookie recipe, I believe. Don't quote me on that if I'm wrong. It could be something else. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. And if you like this sort of video and seeing like what we get up to, let me know in the comments. And I will be sure to prop up a camera next time we're doing a shoot, and I'll badger Sam. Maybe we could do a Q&A with Sam. Ooh, that's fun. Thank you so much, guys, and see you soon.